I have the fan here. I took off the front part, unscrewed it, took out that part. Now I have this. Now I have to place this on top and measure and make a hole. I made the hole and I fitted the fan. Fits pretty nicely. It works for me. And I'm using this flex tape. It's very sticky stuff to go ahead and put this around so it doesn't come out. So that'll work pretty good. They just need something to hold it in there. And I'll continue to finish this part right here with the tape. Okay, basically it's almost done. I'm just gonna put the lid in. Okay. Okay, basically this is the actual setup, and it's supposed to cool, so I guess I'll find out. Alright, so let's let me hook up the batteries and I'll be right back. All hooked up to the battery, and let's turn this thing on. Oh, I can feel the air pretty good, and it's blowing out cool air, even though there's nothing inside. There's no ice, no nothing. It's pretty decent. I mean, it's not a whole lot, but I mean, I can feel it. This side, like it looks like this side is blowing much more than this side. I wonder why. Maybe I had to angle this a little bit more. More or less. There you go. I can feel the air, so that's a good sign. Next thing I'm going to do is if the little bucket of water is not done yet, I have some regular bottles of water that I froze earlier, and those are already done, so I just use those to see if I can get some cool air. And let's do that right quick. I put all these bottles of frozen water in there, 3 bottles of Gatorade, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles of water, all frozen. Okay, now we're going to put the top on. Okay, now we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to measure the amount of cold coming out. Oh yeah, it's much cooler, that's for sure. So let's see if I manage to drop this temperature down a little bit. can see it was right at 80. Now it's at 70. So it's blowing 70 right now. A constant 70. That is amazing. You can't make this up. It does work. I mean, it's not going to put out very, very cold air, but it works pretty good. I mean, it beats a fan. Yeah, it's a constant 70. So there you go. Yep, it works out pretty good. Not bad. All right, thanks for watching. This is the crazy build for today, and I'm amazed that it does really work. At least for it puts out 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's not bad. From 80 to 70, I'd take that anytime. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.